All right, guys, the turn track used to come down through here, and that way we could ride the whole big turn track, but this tree fell and these thorns overgrew, but luckily we've got Mason and he's strong, so he's gonna move this tree by himself.
Oh yeah.
I already broke it in two for him with my hand before he got here.
Let's just ride over it.
We could ride over it if you get your machete and clear that.
Alrighty. Ryan must have karate chopped it.
If you want to grab your machete, I'll start like breaking some of these branches by hand or something.
Alrighty.
And that way we can ride the whole turn track without landing on each other. Oh, shit. You're almost moving that whole tree yourself. Huh? Oh. Take the KTM. All right, here we go. No. What did you do? Yeah, his machete will take care of that, I think. Ugh. I thought you were bleeding because he had that rip.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
This one's like buried. Look at that, guys. While Mason was riding my KTM and Tyler was standing here, I just cut that bush down, and we got it clear now, so the turn track will be back in one piece.
Let's go.
Tyler's ready to ride. I'm kind of out of breath still.
Chocolate cake.
It's so good.
Where's that other machete go?
All right, y'all, Tree Company has apparently been down there by our sandbar section trimming some trees, which was a lot of things we wanted to do anyway, so we're gonna go check that out first, then probably hit some laps on the turn track. All right, guys, we're over here at the sandbar now. So they've cut down a lot of these trees for us, which is great. I just hope they come back and get them out of the way and mulch them up. We'll have some sick runs in and out of this sandbar area. Hill climb? What'd you do, hit a tree?
Oh my god.
junked it, done for the weekend.
Whoa!
Where'd you hit a tree?
Oh, it hurts so bad right now.
Where'd you hit the tree?
I think it folded down with my fork or something and came up and slapped me. I don't know. Oh my God.
Oh man.
Oh, you can feel it. It's a welt.
Did you see that hill climb though? So there to the right. See, it's straight up and down, dude. But in the video,
Oh, straight ahead?
yeah. But in the videos, it looked like nothing.
Nothing. It never does.
Never does. Everybody's like, MX Guru doesn't know how to ride a two-stroke.
Looks like I got stung by a bee.
Yep, it's welting up, dude.
Oh my God, it hurts.
Mason, hit that. He's gonna do it. He's gonna hit it. If he makes it up, and I'll go hit it on this bike. Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh! Is it slick?
I got him.
Should I hit it? Should I do it?
Hit it.
Dude, that thing's
I ain't
nasty.
hitting it, but you can hit it.
Oh. All right, guys. I know this doesn't look steep in the video, but I'm telling you, there's a ledge that's like straight up and down. Whoa! We gotta move this. Now I'm into your bike. That might be enough. That's really close. Probably not. That was pretty sick. Perfect. Dude, that is way steeper than it looks.